Good afternoon. Please rise as we begin with a short prayer. You may now take your seats. Good afternoon, ladies and distinctly handsome gentlemen. This is the official press presentation of Mr. International Holdings 2025. From the provinces to the capital, from kings to discipline, from ordinary lines to extraordinary stages, ready to inspire the next generation of Filipinos. This is Mr. International Holdings 2025. Now we welcome our reigning kings of 2024. Mr. International Philippines 2024, Amy Pablo. Mr. International Tourism 2024, Frank Jonathan Reynosa. Mr. Butcher International Philippines 2024, Mark Luis Salma. Mr. Water International Philippines 2024, Jake Makinsala. Mr. International Philippines 2024, Marvin Diamante.
This stage is your stepping stone. Use it to rise and keep inspiring the next generation. Because the world is looking at you. Show them why you were born to live. Thank you.
Let's welcome Mr. International 2024 first runner-up from Peru, Estefano Valerin.
Philippines, and good afternoon to everyone. Ako si Estefano Valerin, ang Mr. International Vermonera from Peru. But today, I'm here not only as Mr. International Vermonera, but as another young person who dreams, who fights, who has learned that the true crown is not worn on the head, but in her. We live in a world where expectations, comparisons, and the fear of failure rob us something very valuable: faith in yourself. And for that reason, my message to young people is clear. Your value does not depend on likes or what others say you can and cannot achieve. Your value is in your story, in your effort, in your authenticity. During my journey, I learned that physical beauty can open doors, but what really leaves a mark is character, discipline, humility, and commitment to oneself and others. Being Mr. International Vermonera is not just a title, it's a responsibility. It's an opportunity to use my voice so that you who are watching this believe you are capable of breaking molds, challenging stereotypes, and building a future where you don't have to hide who you are to fit in. Empowerment doesn't mean telling you what to do. It reminds you that you already have what you need within you. Passion, talent, courage. The only thing that you are missing is deciding to believe in yourself. Thank you so much. Sarah.
Thank you, Estefano. Now, let's call on our Mr. International Philippines 2025 candidates. Lima Alburo Albay.
Michael Francis Surya, Palayan, Batangas.
Ivan Jimenez de Leon, Bataan! Justin Monteros, Batangas Province. Ryder Sartizon, Ray Laguna.
Sa hindi ka hukom, talumpi!
Michael Amagan Jr. Cavite.
Orscan Dawson, Philcom of USA.
Adrian Ayala, Isabela.
Gabriel Sundalo Paipon, Ilocos.
Francis Andre Cristo, Lalawigan ng Laguna. Simon Javier, Las Piñas. J. Sabra, Legazpi City. San Paulo de la Cruz, City of Lucena. Irving Flores Musica, Los Baños, Laguna. Lloyd Garcia, Manila. Jose Carlos Moras, Metro North, Pampanga.
John Vaya Pedrico, Muntinlupa. William Mercado, Oriental Mindoro.
Fernand Luis Natalino, Cabanatuan, Nueva Ecija.
Ever Jack Blanco, Pampanga.
James Perez, Pangasinan.
Xavier Javier, Ulian, Bulacan.
Seth Racelis Perez, Quezon Province. Julius Irving Lirio, Province of Rizal.
Villalon, Romblon.
Ron Cruz, Santa Maria, Bulacan.
John Moore, Lanusa, Muslim, Sorsogon Province. Kalakibas, Tacloban City. Province, Lugi, Davao.
Alexander Mendoza, Tondo, Manila. Noel Peter Senya, Western Pangasinan.
And now, we welcome the people behind Mr. International Foundation and Mr. International Philippines 2025. Mr. International Foundation Board of Trustees, Mark Jan Vergara, Mark Joseph Mamora, Isi Namara, Mr. International Foundation COO and President, Jax Mendoza, and attorney Manuel Delfino. Vice President for Communications, Tito Orban Ino. Managing Director, R.D. Filipino. International Holdings, Amir Gamara. And Mr. John Malingin, the president of Mr. International Philippines, for this message. A big round of applause, please.
Nakakatawa. Yun lang masasabi ko, nakakatawa. But anyway, good day everyone. First of all, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to my dear friend, Atty. Manuel Del Pino, for this opportunity. I would also like to extend my gratitude to Sir Amir, my mentor, in this kind of business. To our team, pakasipa, walang tulugan. To Tito Norman, mabagal pero lahat ginagawa. And the rest of Mr. International Associates and the rest of the Mr. International Philippines Organization, Executive Committee. Change. That is the one word I would use to define this year's rosters of candidates. Here at Mr. International Philippines, we have opened our doors to men from all walks of life. We are no longer superficial. We are an organization that transforms lives. Whether you come from humble beginnings, lack of traditional good looks, are older or shorter than expected, or have a background that isn't conventionally impressive, what matters most to us is your will to change, to grow, and to become better. To the candidates, we have accepted the challenge to turn perceived weaknesses into strengths and to guide these men on a journey of self-discovery, helping them unlock their fullest potential. Witness their handsome metamorphoses day by day as we move closer to the coronation night. To our official candidates, thank you for choosing Mr. International Philippines and for placing your trust in us. To our guests, family and friends, sponsors, and of course, to our media friends, maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you for being with us on this meaningful journey. I am beyond proud to present to you the 39 distinctively handsome men of Mr. International Philippines Batch of 2025. Thank you and enjoy the show.